What is happening? Today's video, I would love for you to leave some comments. I'm gonna share some stats on my buddy's business, which is about to enter the first full year. Like the first full year, it's not a calendar year, it's gonna be in the books towards the end of this month, May 2020. So the company's not even a year old, and I just wanted to run through some numbers here real quick, hear your comments, and show you the new equipment we got. We got a new truck recently, some ramps. What do we get? We just got a new trimmer, new blower, and a truck. So just the business is growing, right? Like I expected it to last year, but we had some hangups with Google in particular, which completely slowed down the growth of the business, like so drastically it was not funny. So I'm just really glad that we got through it and we made it to 2020 and we were still in business and able to do all this. So we're growing like a weed now. So I wanted to share these stats real quick and then show you the stuff. And I'd love for you to leave a comment on this video and tell me how do you think this is going? Is this going way faster than your business? Is this going way slower than your business? Like, I think it is a very natural, quick growth for a lawn care company. And yeah, I just want to know your opinion. So here are the numbers. I jotted them down real quick. So in 2019, revenue on the books, 2019, being submitted to taxes, $25,662. That was it. That was all of 2019. That's the revenue the company generated. Obviously, that is not much of a company by any means, right? Really got screwed by Google. Okay, so let's get on to April. Last month, 2020, we did $16,363. I mean, huge exponential growth right there, right? And through today, this morning, as I'm shooting the video, I think 3 lawns were cut today on May 14th, 2020. We have done $8,479. So year to date, with a handful of jobs done in March, we've already surpassed 2019's revenue by May 14th. So to me, the company is growing very, very quickly. We can expect to hit at least 100 grand in revenue on the second full year in business, the second full calendar year in business. 2020 will be over 100 grand, barring, I don't know. Obviously, a pandemic ain't gonna stop us, right? Like that had no effect on us at all. It actually may have improved things for us. If you feel that COVID actually improved your business, leave a comment. Let me know that. We feel that COVID somehow, in a way, helped us get more work because a lot of the larger companies in our area, you got to understand, there's a minimum of 100 lawn and landscape companies that primarily serve northern Kentucky. And yes, there's a bunch that are just owner-operator type deals. There are some with 30, 40, 50 trucks. Okay, so we have really large companies, we have a bunch of really small companies, and we have everything in between. And yeah, so we feel that we benefited from this because those larger companies that rely on the Mexican visa workers coming over, they got stuck at the border. They could not cross the border, and subsequently those companies suffered drastically because they didn't have the manpower to do the work. And good luck hiring anybody else around here. Probably not gonna work out too well. Obviously employees is the I don't know the word, bane, is it bane? The bane of most lawn care and landscaping companies' existence, right? Like, if you can't get the guys, you can't do the work, you can't grow a business, and you're stuck in the field the entire life of your business, and it's like you own a job, which may or may not be your goal. I don't think there's anything wrong if that is your goal. So let's take a look at the new mower, the new truck, all that kind of stuff, and please leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's happening? It's Ryan with Lawn Crash, and I just wanted to get you a little update on B&B Lawn Mowing, my buddy Billy's business, and year 2, and we have our first additional mower. So we started off with a Snapper Pro and two Snapper Pros, a zero turn and a walk behind, and this is a Ferris. So we're sticking with the same, manufacturing line, assembly line, stuff like that. So a lot of parts will be interchangeable, but this one is actually the SW35 model compared to the SW25 model. If you didn't know, Ferris and Snapper Pro actually go down the same assembly line, and it seems like Snapper Pro is getting obsolete at this point, like they're not going to make them. Apparently the dealers weren't making money. We needed a mower fast, so we ended up with a Ferris, and basically it just gets a couple extra bells and whistles. Honestly, looking at it, I can't really tell, because one thing that's different between the 35 and the 25 is the way you adjust the deck height. We just got crank this little knob right here, much nicer than the whole, pull the pin in the slot type deal. Everybody hates that, but this is a feature on the Snapper SW35, so I'm not sure what the difference is between this model and the Snapper model. My initial thoughts are it's probably the color of the paint and $1,000 on the price tag is probably about the only difference. I don't know, this stuff might be beefed up. It just seems like Ferris beefs up their stuff a little bit more than Snapper Pro, but along with this, we're in year 2, we haven't even been in business a whole year yet at this point, and we've already purchased truck number 2. It's out front, we'll show you that, and we just picked up a couple more trimmers and blowers. Well, another trimmer, another blower to go with this, outfit the other truck. We just went with a pickup truck and ramps to just save money and streamline the process of getting another truck up and running. I think, what is it, Billy? About to 100 customers?
Oh, yeah.
Roughly. So we're
no, there's no roughly. That's where we're at.
Yeah. It's literally within a couple of 100 regular mowing accounts, less than 1 year in business. So you just got to ask yourself, can your area support a lawn care business? Are you marketing it properly? Are you quoting the jobs properly, accurately, reasonably? Are you doing it in a timely fashion? Are you carrying yourself like a business person and doing what needs to be done to grow your business? Because I've already built and sold a lawn care business here, and now Billy's doing it again, and I'm helping him a little bit, but honestly, I don't spend a whole lot of time on the business. It's Billy's business, and he's doing the majority of everything like you should, you know what I mean? And we were just having the talk about the long hours, going through a hump, because we need to hire another person relatively soon to free Billy up to, maybe possibly fit in those, they call in and we want the grass cut today.
Grass emergencies.
I mean, imagine, Billy and Brandon call them grass emergencies. But imagine if you had the ability, you had your second crew out cutting the grass, making the majority of the money for your company. You're the owner of the company, and you go cut 5-10 lawns a day. You can pick up the phone or have your office person or whatever call center pick up the phone and get to a job the same day, or go and provide that mulch quote the same day, or get mulch jobs done throughout the week, which is part of the reason why we got the other truck. I'm going out mulching today as they go out mowing, and we're hoping to get our next employee in about 2 weeks when he arrives. So he was actually at work for me. Billy knows him, everybody knows him. We love this kid, and we cannot wait until he joins B&B. But just wanted to show you, new mower, couple new trimmers, new trimmer, new blower, new truck, the racks, we're growing, and yeah, man, I hope you are too. Hope COVID isn't messing your business up too much this spring in Kentucky. We're the bluegrass state. They're like, heck no, you guys just keep doing your thing, you know what I mean? So that's what it is. I'll take you inside, show you stuff inside, and that'll be the video. Okay, so here is truck 2. Really nice looking truck in my opinion. Billy was adamant about not getting a white truck, so we ended up with this like slate gray, like kind of a bluish gray. Looks really good, doesn't really match the company colors, but oh well. So 10.5 or 10 under 10.7 out the door for this truck. I can't even remember the stats on it. I think it's an 07 with like 70,000 miles or something on it. So, solid truck. Like, we're super happy with the condition, everything of the truck, and it's everything we needed. We just needed a long bed. We didn't need four-wheel drive, so it's two-wheel drive. We just needed a single cab, so that's all it is. But I'm getting ready to go do a little mulching and pruning. So Billy's helping me get loaded up here. Here's the original setup that we started with about a year ago now. So there's that. Just showed you the new mower. Here's what the guys have in the truck as they're going out mowing. So we got one electric. So we kind of do the mix of electric and gas. The battery powered stuff just doesn't seem to make it throughout the day every day. So we just have some gas stuff in there. Here are the ramps that we got to make getting the mower in the new truck a possibility. So the idea is we'll have a 1 or 2 man crew go out in that truck with the 48, the ramps, and go cut 10, 15 lawns, whatever, maybe 20 if there's 2 guys on the crew. But this is it. We run it out of here, out of Billy's house. He does have this little bit of space in the back, so that's what it is. And yeah, man, so hope you're doing well. If you guys don't know about stuff like this, Ranger Pro, so super cheap alternative to buying Roundup. If you are spraying Roundup, make sure you have your license and whatnot. So new mower, of course, new Proslide. So I just brought one with me, and wear plate for the original Proslide. Let me show you the wear plate on this bad boy real quick, because Billy has wore this thing down farther than he should. So if your wear plate is looking like that, it means it's time to change it. About a month ago. Should have been changed about a month ago, but we'll get changed soon enough now that we got one over here. And that's that. Yeah, man.